Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, I actually forgot to mention this. I went in to the Boss Mood palette and I took the color Fired Up and I placed it on my eyelids, and then I took the color Sis within the James Charles palette and just put that right on top. That comes to the conclusion of this video. I really did hope you enjoy. As you saw, it was easy, but nah, I don't know. But like you saw, I did do a lot of different kind of things to just blend out everything and just make sure if everything was just like well incorporated with each other and so forth and so forth. So yeah, I do want to ask you guys, hold on. I do want to ask you guys something. So let me guys know if you guys want me to like record me actually doing a full face, because I remember people that DM'd me on my Instagram, they did say that they really wanted me to actually record an actual full face on my YouTube channel, on top of the fact that, like, you know, my eye makeup, the reason why I do like to keep it short is because like I already feel like I drag it on enough, and I really feel like no one even really watches this part. But if you are watching, you are loyal as fuck, okay? Loyalty to the fullest, okay? Other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and please hit that bell, because you don't know when I'm gonna post, like, you do not know when I am going to post, but when I am going to post, you will be very pleased, as you were pleased today with this little video. At least I hope you were. You will, trust me, you will. Other than that, please treat yourself. Other than that, guys, you already know what's up. You ready to keep them crowns up. You heard? You fucking heard. Bye.